Welcome aboard. In this video, I will explain a new Telegram bot for you. Let's get started right away. The bot's name is Bunny App. You can collect points by tapping on this cute bunny and increase your level. The Earn button allows you to earn more point. By logging in daily and completing other tasks, you can collect points in this section. Please don't neglect this section. Collecting all the points diligently and completing the tasks will put you ahead of many others. The Boost section is similar to other Telegram bots I've mentioned before. You can fully recharge your energy 3 times a day. Additionally, you can use the Damage button once a day. This will temporarily increase your tapping power by 10 times. You can increase your tapping power and energy level by spending the points you earn. This will help you earn more points. By using the Friends button, you can invite your friends and earn extra points. In the Bunny app, there are various farm options where you can earn income. You can access these farm options by tapping on the cart on the homepage. By purchasing these cards, you can earn income every hour. Choose the option that makes sense to you and spend some points. This way, you will earn more. I continuously share Telegram bots with you and explain projects that I see potential in. There's no harm in trying our luck. By spending a few minutes a day, you can have a chance to receive a good airdrop reward. You can find all the Telegram bots I've mentioned in my YouTube channel's playlist. Blum, Hamster, and Pixelverse are quite important. I also highly recommend trying out the game I recently shared, Not AI. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on notifications. See you in the next video.